I'm sending to you. It isn't the love of a hero, and that's why I fear it won't do. And they say that a hero can save us. I'm not gonna stand here waiting.
Hey, it's a brand new day on Gilliam Farms, and I'm Johnny. And the task at hand today is actually, well, it's my birthday week, all right? So, well, kinda. My birthday is, we're gonna celebrate my birthday on Friday, and we're gonna actually smoke some pork butts and some things like that. So I need some wood for smoking. And there's one tree out here on the property where the cattle are that I'm going to use to do that. I'm going to take it down in kind of an unorthodox fashion. It's one I need gone from where it's at anyway, so yeah, we'll take it down. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here right now. I'm going to feed these cows, make sure they're all taken care of, make sure we don't have any new calves or anything like that. Check on them because I've been under the weather, guys. I've been under the weather. So it's been a couple of days since I've been out here. So anyway, I'm going to check on the cows, feed them, and then we're going to take this tree down. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to use my very dull pocket knife to cut this string off this bale so I can set it down here in this area where I dozed. I get told all kinds of stuff whenever I'm, on YouTube about myself and my stuff. Seemed to work just fine. Yep. All the string just, kind of did what string does. Just kind of cut it. Nope. Hey, no. No. They want to mess with the camera a little bit. All right. The thing is, there's a couple of things going on here. We've got this hickory tree right here. All right, it grows up and it grows right toward the fence. This is where I took the tree down the other day with a chainsaw. And it was doing the same thing. It was leaning that way, so I was able to take it down without taking the fence down whenever I cut it. Problem is, if I try to cut this tree, no matter what, with a chainsaw, it's going to go right toward that fence. There's just too much weight toward the fence. And I won't be able to keep it from getting the fence. Well, the other thing is, eventually this tree is going to die. I mean, hickories die all the time here on our place, and they just die. Like right up there is our tree stand tree, and it died, just died. I mean, for no reason, just died. So I need some hickory wood for a smoker, but I need this tree down too. So since all that's coming into play, let's see if I can get this down with the bulldozer. All right, like I was never there. Now let me get some of this hickory off this. All right, I'm gonna use that little piece right there. I'm gonna use for smoking wood for this weekend. And the rest of it, I'm gonna push right up here out of the way so that whenever I need some more wood, I can just come cut it off of it. So let me get that done. All right, I pushed this tree right up here in the kind of off to the side here. That way I can still get by it to go up my little trail right here. Plus I can cut wood off of it anytime I like right there where it's at. So, all right, and over here is where it was. It's all gone. So yeah, we're all good on that. So now I'm gonna load up my little stick of wood right here in the tractor over there, and I'm going to take it to the house and split it up. But I might have another thing or two to do before I leave here. All right, got that smoothed out, got that hump all going and everything. Just got a little bit more to do, but right now I think I'm gonna move some of the cattle into the middle paddock over here. Grass will be growing all in this area right here. I couldn't brush hog it before because it was just a pile. I mean, the calves like to play king of the mountain on it, but I couldn't do anything with it, and there wasn't any food value in it. So anyway, I cleaned it up. Let me go move the cows. I know it's been a little while since I've actually done a video that's got like the calves and the cows and the stuff like that in it. But I can show you right there is little Valentino, the one that's up on his feet. And right there is Winter. That is December, and that is January. So yeah, they're all doing good. They're all a little bit different in size. This one and the second one in line are about the same size, but little Valentino is the smallest of the bunch. We got several cows that are still due. We should have 6 more calves is what we should end up with. So all the boys are going to go to town. All the girls is going to go up north, up to the other Gilliam Farms. So anyway, You just gonna lay there? Hey, you. How are you? You laid there and let somebody poop on you once, didn't you? All right, I'm moving the cattle into this paddock right here so they can eat a little grass. They've been in that other paddock for quite some time. And they're all coming right on in just like they're supposed to. Come on, sug, sug. Finding grass as soon as they come through the gate. A little greener in here, not a lot, but I'll let them eat on this for a day or two. They're finding something for sure. Man, it is dusty. We need some rain badly, badly do we need rain. High winds and low humidity, bad fire danger in Oklahoma. Not something you really want to see on a windy day like today. That's a fire. That whole mountain is on fire right there. It's not something that we ever want to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive around the mountain and see how far it goes toward our place, because our place is back that way. So I'm going to check on it anyway. Bad deal. Alright, I think this is where I'm going to end this video today. I actually did some dozing over on this side too. I didn't even show you guys. Just pushing some rocks up the hill. The goal for this whole area right here, below this little bitty pond right here, is this to be a big pond someday. So I'm going to take clay off the hill that I'm on, push it up the other side and line it, and then shape the bowl right in here. So anyway, but yep, the cows found them a little bit of green grass over here, so they're chowing down on that. I'm gonna let them eat on this for a couple of days, and I'm gonna come back. But anyway, if you like this video of me taking down a tree, doing a little bit of dozer work, moving the cows around and stuff like that, then like, comment, subscribe. I'll continue to bring more content in the future as available. And as always, everybody, God bless. One stick of wood.